connecting your equipment to Kardex Connect, our experts can monitor and maintain your equipment remotely, giving you the extra competitive advantage for smooth running intralogistics solutions and the highest possible uptime. A connection is established with the Kardex Secure Site Control. If an issue arises, the machine operator, maintenance engineer, or logistics manager may trigger a service request. During a service request, a connection is created with the Kardex central server. The site control initiates the connection. For your firewall, this is an outgoing SSL encrypted HTTPS connection, usually handled over port 443. An outgoing connection is only established if a service request is triggered. The service technician authenticates onto the central server with a unique username and password. When logging in, the client checks if the server holds a valid HTTPS certificate. This procedure is used for other internet services, for example in home banking. Our solution is even more secure. The server additionally checks if the client can provide a valid certificate. All logins are stored in tamper-proof log files. If an unauthorized access attempt is made, the respective IP address is automatically blocked and added to a blacklist. Once the system is operational again, the technician will close the service request. The connection is terminated and the site control is offline. Moreover, the machine operator can terminate the service request and therefore the connection at any time. All activities of the technicians are transparently stored in a tamper-proof log file accessible on your site control, so that you can check all service-related activities at your convenience. It is further possible to receive status and performance updates of your connected system directly on the Kardex Connect app. If enabled, the site control periodically sends data over an outgoing connection to the central server, which is then forwarded to the app. This function cannot be activated remotely, but must be enabled from an administrator within your network. With Kardex Connect, we offer a simple and secure solution. Only an outgoing HTTPS connection over port 443 is needed. It's updated regularly with code-signed packages and is more secure and offers more functionality compared to a VPN or conventional screen sharing technologies.